In this video I'm going to show you how to import and use still images into a video project. I've got a still image here I'm just going to import. It's called acoustic guitar. So I'm going to import that into this project. You'll see the import window or import dialog box. And I'll switch back over to Premiere. Okay, so I'll just do this a little bit differently. Switch back into editing mode. And now that I'm in editing mode, I will come down to my project window. Scroll down and find the picture I just created. And I'll drag this into my timeline the way I would anything else. Images always come in at 4 seconds and 29 frames. I'm going to put my cursor over the window, my timeline indicator over the acoustic guitar so that I can see how this looks. And obviously it doesn't look right because it's not the right size. It should fit in this window. And I switched over to my effect controls in top left pane, but it tells me that there's no clip selected, so I come down here and select the clip, and this is where I can adjust the size. I've got the scale here, and so I'm just going to run that back and I can change the scale. If I wanted to, I could use this slider just by clicking on the drop down next to scale, and I can change it this way. But I will need to make sure that my images all fit the way I want them to in my timeline, because a new image will not change the sequence settings.